तुम्ही श्रोते जगदीश मूर्ती, तेथे माझी वित्पत्ती किती. बुद्धिहीन अल्पमती सलगी करीतो श्रीराम. सीताकांत स्मरण जय जय राम. गुड मॉर्निंग. This is welcoming to the non-dual series from the Advaita Grantha, Grantharaj Dasabodha, written by Samartha Sadguru Ramdas Swami about 400 years back. Today's conversation is in respect of Paramartha, the praise in respect of Paramartha, in the words of Samartha Sadguru Ramdas Swami. What they say is this is the highest wealth after getting this human body and the intellect. I have explained it in my earlier session. And after getting the combination of good physique, good health, good mind, and in all respects, everything is provided. Then, if this Paramartha is not known or not to be thought of, then all having anything except this Paramartha, everything will be wasted. Therefore, Samartha starts here in their words. आता स्तवू हा परमार्थ, जो साधकाचा निज स्वार्थ, नातरी समर्थामध्ये समर्थ योग हा. This is a, what they call it, the highest yoga. This is what it is happening now. This is a yoga. And therefore, if this Paramartha is to be understood by anybody, then there happens to be a great union. Union in the sense to with whom the union is going to happen. That is the other chapter that I am going to cover it. The next OV is how it is, in what sense, how it is available. Samartha says, आहे तरी परम सुगम, परी जनासी झाला दुर्गम, का जयाचे चुकले वर्म सत्समागमाकडे. Satsamagama, in the sense, day after yesterday, I have explained it in the words of Samartha itself. They say Samartha means without, wandering here and then, so many places to visit, that where the peace and the final satisfaction would be attained by being a human species or a Homo sapien. That is very easily available here itself. Samartha says, Ka jayache chukale varma satsamagama kade. And if that satsamagama is not known and not accustomed to, then it is something difficult. नाना साधनाचे उधार हा रोकडा ब्रह्म साक्षात्कार. वेदशास्त्री जे सार ते अनुभवासी ये. What Vedas, Upanishads have described the highest satisfaction of a human being is very easily available here by knowing this Parama Artha. If it happens to anybody, then it is a great thing, great achievement in the life, and none other any achievements will not take the place of this Paramartha. And how it is that ahetari chahunkade pare anumatra दृष्टि न पडे उदास परी एकीकडे पाहता दिसेना. आहे तरी चहूकडे, everywhere is present, everywhere is present. And if I say so, everywhere is present, then whether that Paramartha is present in me or not is the question that arises. Therefore, if I say everywhere it is available, then to that extent it is also something missing there. Therefore, even though it is available, it can be said in the words of Samartha Sadguru, even though it is available at all levels, but it cannot be seen by these eyes. These eyes cannot reach to it. That is the main intention of Samartha Sadguru. And how it is, therefore, Akasha Margi Gupta Pantha. What is the route? It is in the आकाशमार्गी गुप्त पंथ जाणती योगी ये समर्थ इतरास हा गुह्यार्थ सहसा न कळे. Only a yogi can understand, yogi can see this, yogi can attain this and achieve this, and others cannot be see. This is in the words of Samartha Sadguru. And साराचे ही निज सार अखंड अक्षय अपार नेऊ न सकती तस्कर काही केल्या. साराचे ही निज सार. 2-3 days back I have explained it. What is real and what is unreal. And what the real is, in whatever we call it as a real, even in that real is also again the original truth. What Samartha explains here. Sarache hi nija sara. Akhanda means it cannot be divided into. There is no division. It is only one. And akshay, it will not vanish at any moment, at any point of time. Apar in the sense huge means even you cannot also explain in words. That much expanded, already expanded. It is already expanded in the sense. Apar. Nevu na sakati tashkar kahi kelya. Tashkar means a robber. Robber cannot robbed of this paramartha. Cannot be robbed of. So, for that तयास नाही राज भये अथवा नाही अग्नि भये अथवा स्वापद भये बोलोच नहीं. For that, there is no fear of any king or a fire, or fear of this termites by being eaten. That it is not like that. And parabrahmate halavena, it cannot be disturbed. And ठावही चुकेना अथवा ठावही चुकेना, whether it is existing or not, it cannot also be doubted, because it is already existing. It is existing all the time. All that was, all that is, and all that will be. That is called thavahi chukena. That is existing all the time. How time comes, that all the explanations that have to be covered in the next course of these talks. Then I say te nija thevani, how all that was, all that is, and all that will be, ever remain, is. I say te nija thevani. This is the truth. Kadapi palato nene, and it cannot be changed at any point of time, at any moment. Athava nave adika une bahuta kale. If at all we say long time, whatever the time has been elapsed so far since what we call it as a Big Bang theory and all that, this is what the scientific theories are there. But that is not applicable to this Advaita Vedanta. And in the sense, kadapi palatu athava nave adika une, by long, after a long time, so many lapse of time also, it cannot increase or it cannot decrease. Bahuta kale, long time. Athava te ghasavatena, corroded or eroded. It cannot be corroded or eroded. Athava adrishya hoena, it cannot be vanished. And natari pahata disena guru anjane vina, sadguru anjane vina. And how it is available without their being the eyes given by that Sadguru. Sadguru eyes. A person knows it through the eyes gifted by that Sadguru. So it cannot be seen Guru Anjani Veena, through the eyes. Therefore, we know that Ishvara is having the third eye, because these two eyes cannot see that Paravastu. That para means the uppermost, highest, the highest. It cannot be seen by these two eyes. Therefore, the third eye is required to know that, to understand what is that. The third eye is important. That is what it has been gifted by a Sadguru, Guru Anjani. And then Maga Yogiye Samartha. Previously, yogis are happened. Yogis त्यांचाही निजस्वार्थ, what their the real selfishness. This is also is one type of a selfishness, that we want the highest wealth, highest wealth. If at all some people, I can give a simple example here. If persons there are going to deities here and there, temple, and they pray before the God to give certain and fulfill their desires what they want. But in that context, what the desires are to the limited extent. What Samartha says is, if anybody demands anything else before a God, if a God comes before you, if you demand him, to the extent he is ready to give you. But if you demand, if what you have to demand is, there is nothing remains to be demanded. That has to be demanded. Once it has to be demanded, by demanding that your demands must vanish. That is what. That what the yogis and Samartha, they have also called them yogi, Samartha. Samartha means who has had this knowledge, artha or wealth. You can, either of two meanings can be worth mentioning here. Samartha, this connotation comes for here, is who has this wealth. He is called as Samartha. Therefore, यासी बोलिए परमार्थ परम गुह्य मनोमी. And that is what a hidden treasure of a yogi or a Sadguru. That treasure, if it easily transferable to everybody, or it is the everyone's right to get it, nothing to be done, nothing to be done, not to give anything else. By giving any things possessing already of this material nature, it cannot be available. But how it is available? Only through the eyes of Sadguru and the hidden treasure of Sadguru or the yogi. That is available only through the way or the path what they have chosen. That is called as Paramartha. Paramartha means that is that the praise, how Samartha Sadguru explains here. If that is in that way, if anybody seeks it, then that hidden treasure is available to everybody. So, for that it is called as a Paramartha. जेही शोधून पाहिला त्यासे अर्थ सापडला एरा असोनी अलभ्य झाला जन्मोजन्मी. And who is the real seeker who continuously behind the back, repeatedly seeks it and intends to know it, intends to have it, a dearth, yearning, essential, which is the only thing left to me, and nothing else is required for me. When such type of a person, or a what they call it as sadhaka in the sense seeker of the greatest wealth, is called as sadhaka. Therefore, otherwise it is not available. Era soni alabhya jhala janmo janmi. After so many births taking place, even that is not available. Therefore, this is the apurvata ya paramarthachi, varta nahi janma mrityachi, ani padavi sayojyatechi sannidhachi labhe. It is here itself, it is available. Therefore, this, the birth and death, the situation, what we call, what we have we have born and our journey is towards death. It is going on. The boat is going on, and it reaches to the port, ghat. We usually call it as Yamaghat. And there we have to leave all those things, whatever we have accumulated with us. And here in this path, Paramartha, it goes beyond that port or Yamaghat. Somebody alights there in the Yamaghat by accumulating these all that. But who intends to seek, who is only seeking this Paramartha, he crossed the border of that, death also. That is the utmost important factor of this seeking Paramartha. Then what will happen by having a dearth yearning is, what will happen? Sarasara vichara kale, which is real and which is unreal, will be known to that seeker or sadhaka, and then that Paramartha, the real wealth, the highest, toppest form of knowledge is available. Therefore, after that, what will happen? The reality will come to know. What is the actual reality? प्रपंच वाटे लटिका, माया वाटे लापणिका, शुद्ध आत्मा विवेका अंतरी आला. Pure knowledge, pure intellect will flourish inside this person's understanding, and it will definitely change the entire life. And it will be realized that who I am, for what purpose I took birth here, and where I will go, what will happen. Everything will be realized by only seeking this highest form of. This is a name called as Paramartha, but it is beyond all the desires, except this only. If it is, on the other day I was telling that by knowing one thing, everything will be known. Everything will be known. By knowing one thing, everything will be known. Therefore, to know that everything in the sense satisfaction. That satisfaction, if one who attains, then his life will become fruitful and satisfactory in that sense. Therefore, ऐसा हा परमार्थ जो करी त्याचा निज स्वार्थ, आता या समर्थ किती म्हणून म्हणावे. How much I have to praise this word. Paramartha means this is what I have chosen here. There are so many samasas, dashakas and all that, but why I have chosen the selected samasas is very important, because I am explaining or exploring Dasabodha with regard to whether this is the Advaita Grantha or not. Where anybody has expressed his concern or this is the Advaita Grantha or not is the question that has remained with me. Therefore, I have took this task to explain where Advaita Grantha is only Advaita Grantha Dasbodha or not is the question. And therefore, in that way, what the Paramartha is now we are propagating here is how it is involved, and it is what my main purpose is to take away the direct path. Direct path in the sense, I can give you one example. If two persons go to a well for want of water, one goes through the steps in depth of the well and get the water, and the other stands above the well itself and see the level of water and all that, and he directly jumps into the water and get the water. This is the difference between a person, both are seeking water, but a person who does not know swimming and all that, or fear of whether I could get or not, some doubt is there, how I have to get, the problem is there. So then there are pathways, they go here and there, here. But this way how the direct path is involved is every person is free himself. He himself is capable of getting this. Where as is, where is. As is, where is. I use this, we used to have this phrase in our regular writing, and wherever you are, if you sit, you are capable of getting this. This is the most important. So, likewise, this is a very important one. And ya paramartha karita brahmadikansi vishramata yogi pavati tanmayata parabrahmi. And if one yogi, brahmadika, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, why we used to say this is in a constructive form. We don't know even where Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar, they are all forms that we used to say here. In our Shastras, Puranas, they have come here, over here. But Samartha says it also. They are also, for them also, this is the only aspect, as a background, backbone, what you call it as. In English, there are no such terms, This is the only way. Paramartha sakalasi visava, siddha sadhu mahanubhava, sekhi satvika jada jiva, satsange karoni. So it is, for whom it is available? It is available for everybody. It is available for everybody. All the Homo sapiens, what we call human beings, we are all capable of getting this. And there is no, differentiation. As even as male, female, no, nothing like that. This is what. So, Paramartha Janmache Sarthaka, Paramartha Samsari Taraka, Paramartha Dakhavi Paraloka Dharmikasi. They are easily understandable words. Paramartha Tapasasi Thara, Paramartha Sadakasi Adhar, Paramartha Dakhavi Para Bhavasagarata. Samartha says, this is what we are here, we have come here, we understood that this is a body and all that. We are in an ocean that is called as Bhavasagara. This ocean is different than that of Bhavasagara, is totally, whatever we have accumulated, that is the most troublesome part which we are having now at present. And whether that we are having which is good or not, that one himself has to see it. And then only it could be understood that what I am doing, what is going on, everything, and where I will go, and whether I would be satisfied by doing or at the present moment or not. Whether I am satisfied, then I am satisfied anywhere. But because it is not like that, it is in the sense, everybody has the fear of death because he has born already. So that fear must vanish. And then what is the way to get rid of that fear and all that? This is the only way that we have to pursue. And परमार्थी तो राज्यधारी, परमार्थ नाही तो भिकारी, या परमार्थाची सरी कोणास द्यावी. If this is only who has this, nothing else in the material world, if this is having, Paramartha is filled with, then that itself is sufficient. It is the highest wealth. If at all he is not having anything, even to feed the belly or having money, other things, estates and house and all that. Because previously we have witnessed so many yogis and all that, they left this, places of persons, crowded people, they have left it and went away in a forest, and their life has been sacrificed there itself. Because only to get this, only to get the highest wealth, therefore this is the only highest, and no other anything in the sense it is also to be in the form of a thing that Samartha is are explaining here, but it is actually, it is not. After attaining that status, then that stage, whatever you call status, it will automatically vanish. अनंत जन्मीचे पुण्य जोडे तरीच परमार्थ घडे, मुख्य परमात्मा आतुडे अनुभवाचे. अनंत जन्मीचे, so many births we have already, whether we have done, this is in the Bhagavad Gita, in the Kurukshetra, Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna explains it to Arjuna. I am having the knowledge of so many janmas. I and you have born so many lives, born so many births, but you have forgotten, I have remembered it. This is what Sri Krishna tells to Arjuna. And if at all that is the, the good deeds have accumulated, punya, तरीच परमार्थकडे मुख्य परमात्मा आतुडे अनुभवासी. And that what one thing will be known within us, and the life is being satisfied. So जेणे परमार्थ ओळखिला तेणे जन्मसार्थक केला, एर तो पापी जन्मला कुलक्षया कारणे. These are the words, some toughest, some words Samartha have told here, preached here, because, and they also ask excuses for using such, because this is the greatest thing. Some words must be like this only. Therefore, I have used these words. Therefore, the audience or the seeker, knowledge seekers, or the listener should not be mistaken by me. My words are not to be mistaken in that sense. And likewise, I also say you, असो भगवत प्राप्ती वीण करी संसाराचा सीन, त्या मूर्खाचे मुखावलोकन करूच नाही, भल्याने परमार्थी भरावे. Therefore, one has to inculcate this only path and शरीर सार्थक करावे. Why? Because Deha Karita Dehi Atude Mukhya Paramatma. For this human body itself, that utmost Parama Atma, because the Atma, in the sense, again I have to refer to Bhagavad Gita. In, I think, chapter 10 or so, Krishna tells Arjuna what he tells there. Aham Atma Gudhakesh Sarvabhutashaya Sthitah Aham Adishcha Madhyancha Bhutanam Antayevacha. What I was saying, all that was, all that is, all that will be, which remains all the time. And this is all. We never ever born, we never die. And if that conclusion comes to a perfect mind with a great conviction, and that is what Pratyache Brahmadhyana, Samartha Ramdas Swami tells here. That is what Samartha tells here, that Pratyache Brahmadhyana, Pratyay, the experience where one must feel it. Yes, I have got this, and this is like this only. And he able to tell, because so many people have gone, expired, or in the sense, but they never came to us to tell what is the experience of death. Therefore, it is not like this, Samartha says. It is here only, while existing itself in the human body. Deha Karita Dehi Atude Mukhya Paramatma. What is that? The highest wealth. That is the goal of every human being. That Samartha says here. Bhalyane Paramarthi Bharave. Therefore, everybody, those who are Bhalyane means respectable, highly respected word. What you are doing, you do this one, you do this, you get it. You do this. It is not somebody else. Some Sadguru comes, but Sadguru cannot. Sadguru takes you to the one stage and leave it there. And then thereafter, our walking or steps starts there. Therefore, until we reach there, we must reach there. Therefore, we must have to know what is the path. That is what the path of Paramartha. This is the highest sense. And why Sharira Sarthaka Karave and Purvajansa Udharave Hari Bhakti Karoni. Purvajansa Udharave. Because our ancestors, what they have gone with the richest path, in that path one has to go, and that is the only ultimate goal of every human being. Therefore, we have to decide whether how we have to live and what is our path. Everything must be known in this life only. And why we are here? Only to do this only. To understand what is, and ultimate satisfaction. To get the ultimate. For what purpose? To get ultimate satisfaction. Satisfaction. Peace. This is all. For the sake of getting, what is the benefit? In the early Samasa itself, Samartha says, but it will more, elaboration way, but I cannot go to that extent. One or two movies that I take from Dashaka 7 Samasa 1, Mangalacharana. There Samartha says, Sakala Vidye Madhye Sara, Adhyatma Vidyecha Vichara, Dashamodhyayi Sarangadhara Bhagavad Gita si bolila. It is in the 10th chapter again. Sri Krishna says there, अध्यात्म विद्या विद्यानां वादः प्रवदतामहम्. The only in every knowledge, every study, the study of this self is the highest study, and therefore one has to pursue this study, otherwise life would not be satisfied. Therefore या कारणे अद्वैत ग्रंथ अध्यात्म विद्येचा परमार्थ पहावया तोच समर्थ तो सर्वांगे श्रोता. If at all anybody pursue this, and Samartha says, now I have told how Advaita Grantha it is. If at all anybody intends to have that highest knowledge, highest wealth, then they have to pursue this Advaita Grantha. Advaita Grantha जयाचे चंचल हृदये तेणे ग्रंथ सोडूची नये सोडिता अलभ्य होय अर्थ येथीचा जयास जोडला परमार्थ तेणे पहावा हा ग्रंथ अर्थ शोधिता परमार्थ निश्चये बाणे. Meaning is already here. This is what the importance of paramartha, and whether we want this or not is the choice left to us. And 2-3 days back, some people are requesting me to do these sessions in, even in Marathi also they are telling you can explaining it in a perfect sense. There I am very proud of those listeners, and I appreciate their suggestion also, but I don't know in what capacity I am able to put forth, because at the initial stage itself I have explained this. Tumi Shrote Jagati, what the status has been given by the Samartha to you all audience, not for anybody else to take some words of Samartha Sadguru explained, and by taking those words, if at all I could express this, then it is not to that extent, because it has been already explained to only those who were there at moment. They were sitting. That is called Upanishad. Upanishad, they are all, this is the highest Upanishad on the earth. Upanishad means sit, sit besides the Sadguru, sitting nearby, and listening. They were all. It has been written, somehow I could I can also post where this Grantha has been written. It has been written in Shivthargarh, Mahad district. It comes there. It was the greatest place. I visited to that place also, because of having read this Grantha. I visited that place, and Samartha have explained that when the Grantha have to be written, when it has to be orated, or it has to be explained, anything else, all those things have been already explained. That much of time is not here. It is a long, lifelong reading of Samartha Sadguru Dasbodha. Because the only thing is that I have already expressed, somehow somebody have made it or not, insofar as Advaita Grantha, this is the Advaita Grantha or not, is the question of reminding the people, those who are reading Dasbodha. And my topic is especially insofar as what the world is approaching, because everybody wants peace, happiness, and to know what is that, curiosity. And therefore I have taken this task with an available time. because I am also having some other work here and there, and some people are calling me to, meet, and I have to go for work and all that. In available time, 1 or 2 days, or exceptionally, I have to make these videos for listeners, and more particularly to whom I am talking is also the question. And I feel that I am talking to myself, because you are all, me only. Therefore, there is no otherness or thingness except this. And this, understanding, how it comes? It comes when we follow continuously repeated study, repeated study. Not study in the sense of, chanting mantras and all that. Not like that. There is all, it is a perfect explanation. Time is going on, it is now 45 minutes. Therefore, I have to conclude here itself, Paramartha. And now I next take the topic. What is that has been explained in this Advaita Grantha, how it is Advaita Grantha. There are 2-3 samasas, and thereafter the direct path. And then let me see that whether how it should be concluded and all that. So I conclude here itself. Om Sri Sri Sadgurunatharpanamastu.